How to unpin post on Facebook. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to unpin post on Facebook. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook app, click on it, and here you're gonna find in the first thing on your profile your pinned post, because pin, that's mean it's gonna be on the first thing on your profile. All you need to do to unpin this post is click on those 3 points, or just keep clicking on the post. And here you're gonna find unpin post in the first thing of those options. Click on it, and like you see, the post turn to his normal place on your profile, not at the top of all the posts. And this is it guys, it's so easy and quick. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.